That back one you can hear.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm sure. It's been sitting here for a long time. The tire's a little sunk in the ground.
There's a full tire under 12-inch tire.
That's funny. Yeah, SC 71, right, Rod? 71 SC 360?
Yep. 4-speed.
Yeah.
Originally mustard yellow.
Factory 4-speed car.
4-barrel.
4-barrel.
Which I know doesn't mean
360
much,
cubic inch.
to AMC people it means something.
What's the hood called? It's not a shaker hood. Huh?
It's the Go Pack.
Go Pack? Nice. Try to get up on the rollback. Alright, the SC 360s on the rollback. So Brad, you want to tell me the story? The story on the SC 360?
Yeah, we bought it, 40 years ago for scrap metal. Finally cashing in when the prices are high.
So your dad owns the car, correct?
Yeah, I think the last time it has a plate on it. Well, I got a plate in my room for it from like 1984.
Yeah.
I don't know if one of his buddies was going through a divorce and sold the car. Probably paid a couple $100 for it. And it was a cool car, good deal. So he bought it. I don't think he ever drove it. I think it went straight to storage.
So
Various places.
Before he bought it, the guy did some drag racing with it, correct?
Yeah, I forgot what his name was. I know it was like what his grandson's name is. I forgot what his name was.
And it's been painted. It's like a reddish right now, but it was originally
Mustard yellow.
a mustard yellow car. So they only made how many? They only made 700 and.
I'll just say it's not the exact number,
like
like roughly 750 SC360s altogether, if I remember right.
They made them 1 year only.
Yeah, or maybe that's just the manuals that were that many.
Yeah.
It might have been 3,000 total, 700, or even less. It could be like 700 total with 300 being manuals. And then you can dwindle down how many had the 4-barrel, how many were this color, how many.
Yeah. So yeah, this could be a pretty rare car with the options, correct?
Yeah, but rare doesn't mean valuable.
No, but it's still cool now. I mean, it's an old school muscle car with a 360 in it, 4-speed.
Yeah.
Surprisingly solid for sitting. It sat at my house for 16 years, and then before that, it sat outside. No,
Before that was at
it was in a garage,
Craig's
wasn't it?
house.
Was it at Craig's
It was
house?
up at Craig's house.
Oh, wow.
When I was 16, we moved it there.
Okay.
So, because we pushed it into its spot with the Explorer.
Yeah.
Ripped off the plastic bumper piece for the license plate, and then I got stopped on the way to school the next day for having no front plate.
Yeah. No, it's a cool car. It's time to move it to its next resting spot until somebody gets to it.
Hopefully within the next week it'll go on top of the Congress spots for a while.
Yeah.
But for now it's in one dirt for the next couple of days.
Yeah, I wish I could own it, but I'd do bad things to it. I'd put it on a race car chassis or something.
Yeah.
All right. We lost the gas tank. Oh no, we didn't. I don't know what that's from. I guess the gas tank's still on it. Dual exhaust. Rock. We've got rockers over here. That's surprising. Yeah, got a floor. Winching her up on the ramp truck. We got an interior view of this classic SC 360 1971 Hornet. Hey. Okay. I bet it'd do 120 mile an hour. Yeah. Factory 4-speed. Oh. Yeah, pretty. First bath in 40 years, probably.